Hello friends, I want to share with you the stages of my growth from the seed to home. The rain is watering me. My tiny roots are starting to grow. I am sprouting. My tiny green shoot is coming out.
Look! My little leaves are starting to grow.
I am growing taller, my leaves are getting bigger. I am getting stronger, my branches are growing. Look! Little buds are forming on my branches. My flowers are blooming. Bees will come soon. I am a small apple now, growing slowly. I am ripening. Soon I will be ready to eat. Goodbye, tree. I am being picked carefully. I am on my way to the market. Yay! Someone bought me. I am going home in a basket. I have arrived at home. I am ready to be eaten safely and happily.